2.42 division of a fraction by whole number. So, these are the examples here. 3 by 4 divided by 3. 3 by 4 is a proper fraction, then 3 is the whole number. If you multiply this, 3 by 4 into a reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. So, 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12. If you simplify, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So, answer is 1 by 4. Now, second example here, 2 by 3 divided by 7. So, 2 by 3 into reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. So, 2 ones are 2, 3 sevens are 21. So, we got the answer is 2 by 21. Example 3, 5 by 7 divided by 6. So, 5 by 7 into reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. So, if you multiply numerator, 5 ones are 5, 7 6 are 42. While dividing mixed fractions, the mixed fractions by whole numbers. First you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. Improper fractions and then solve it. These are the examples here. Example 1, 2 by 3 divided by 5. If the dividend is mixed fraction, they have to convert it to improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 divided by 5. Now that equal to 8 by 3 into reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. So 8 ones are 8, 3 5s are 15. We got answer is 8 by 15. Now second example is 4 2 by 5 divided by 3. First convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. 22 by 5 divided by 3, that equal to 22 by 5 into Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. So 22 ones are 22, 5 threes are 15, that equal to 15 ones are 15, 7 by 15. Example 3, 2 3 by 5 divided by 2. Now first the step is you have to convert into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13, divided by 2, that equal to 13 by 5 into 1 by 2, 13 ones are 13, 5 2s are 10, that equal to 1 3 by 10, 2.4 in 3. Division of a fraction by another fraction. By another fraction. Division of a fraction by another fraction. Just see the examples here. Example 1, 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 5. So 1 by 3 the dividend, the divisor is 6 by 5. You have to multiply by the reciprocal 5 by 6. So 1 5s are 5, 3 6s are 18. So we got answer is 5 by 18. Second example, one by 2 divided by 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 into reciprocal of the divisor is 4 by 3. We can simplify here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. We got answer is 2 by 3. Now next other examples, try these. Find that 1 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Now 3 by 5 into reciprocal of the divisor equal to 2 by 1. If you multiply numerator to numerator, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5, that equal to 1 by 5. Second example, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. So 1 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. 1 5s are 5, 2 3s are 6. We got answer is 5 by 6. Now third example here, 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. If the dividend is mixed fraction, first you have to convert it into improper fraction. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5 equal to 5 by 2 into Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So 5 5s are 25, 2 3s are 6. When you convert into improper fraction, 6 4s are 24, 1 remainder, 1 by 6. The fourth example here, 5 1 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31, 31 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. So 31 by 6 into reciprocal of 9 by 2 is 2 by 9. You can simplify here, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 31 1s are 31, 9 3s are 27, equal to 1 4 by 27. Division of fractions. The first one, division of a whole number by a fraction. Example 1, 1 divided by 1 by 2. The whole number is multiplied by the reciprocal of the divisor, multiplied by the reciprocal of the divisor. One into reciprocal of the divisor is 2 by 1. 1 2s are 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Example 2, 3 divided by 1 by 4. Here 3 is the whole number, 1 by 4 is the proper fraction, that equal to 3 into reciprocal of the divisor, 4 by 1. 3 4s are 12, 12 by 1 equal to 12. Now observe these products and fill in the blanks. Seven into 1 by 7, 7 ones are 7, by 7 you get 1. 5 by 4 into 4 by 5, we multiply numerator into numerator, 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20, that are equal to 1. 1 by 9 into 9. So 1 9s are 9 by 9, that equal to 1. 2 by 7 into 7 by 2, 2 7s are 14, 7 2s are 14, equal to 1. 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. If you multiply, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, equal to 1. And 9 by 5 into 5 by 9, 9 5s are 45, 5 9s are 45, that equal to 1. The non-zero numbers. Zero numbers whose product with each other is 1, each other is 1, are called the reciprocal. Reciprocals of each other. Reciprocal of 5 by 9 is 9 by 5. Reciprocal of 9 by 5 is 5 by 9. So, reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction. And reciprocal of a reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply the whole number by reciprocal of that fraction. By reciprocal of that fraction. Examples: 7 divided by 2 by 5. Yeah, 7 is a whole number and 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. If we multiply the whole number, the reciprocal of proper fraction 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. 7 5s are 35 by 2. Look at the answer. 35 by 2 is 17 1 by 2. Example second one, 6 divided by 4 by 7. So 6 into reciprocal of the divisor is 7 by 4. 6 7s are 42 by 4. If you simplify here, 2 2s are 4, 2 21s are, that equal to 21 by 2, that equal to 10 1 by 2. Example 3, 2 divided by 8 by 9. Here the 2 is the whole number, 8 by 9 is the proper fraction, that equal to 2 into 9 by 8. 2 9s are 18 by 8. If you simplify here, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are equal to 9 by 4, that equal to 2 1 by 4. So while dividing a whole number by mixed fraction, dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then solve it. Example 1, 4 divided by 2 2 by 5. Here 4 is the whole number, divisor is 2 2 by 5 is the mixed fraction. First you have to convert it into improper fraction. 4 divided by 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 12 by 5. So now 4 into reciprocal of the fraction here, 5 by 12, 5 by 12. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, that equal to 1 5s are 5 by 3, that equal to 1 2 by 3. Now second example here, 5 divided by 3 1 by 3. Here 5 is the whole number and there is one mixed fraction. So 5 divided by 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. So 5 into 3 by 10. If you simplify here, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 1 3s are 3 by 2, that equal to 1 1 by 2.